Ever wondered how challenging it can be to find a dessert that is not just tasty but also diabetic friendly? Well, the struggle is real, but not impossible. Today, we're diving into the world of delectable diabetic-friendly desserts with a spotlight on a sugar-free fruitcake. Imagine a cake so moist, full of natural sweetness from fruits, and bursting with flavors that it makes your taste buds dance with joy. And the cherry on top? It's completely sugar-free. So buckle up as we journey into the realm of guilt-free indulgences. We'll start with the ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of mixed dried fruits, such as raisins, currants, apricots, and cherries. A cup of unsweetened apple juice to soak the fruit in. 2 cups of self-rising flour. Half a cup of unsalted butter softened. 4 large eggs. A teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And half a teaspoon each of ground nutmeg and allspice. First, place the dried fruit in a bowl and pour over the apple juice. Cover and leave it to soak overnight. This will plump up the fruit and infuse it with a natural sweetness. The next day, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and line a 9-inch cake tin with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, beat the butter until it's creamy. Gradually add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Don't worry if the mixture looks curdled, it'll come together once the flour is added. Now, sift the flour and spices into the bowl and fold it into the butter mixture. Drain the soaked fruit, reserving the juice, and add the fruit to the batter. Mix until well combined. Pour the batter into the prepared tin and smooth the top. Bake for about 1 hour, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the tin for 10 minutes, then turn it out onto a wire rack to cool completely. If you like, you can brush the top of the cake with some of the reserved apple juice for extra moistness and flavor. And there you have it, a delicious sugar-free fruitcake that's not only divine but also diabetic friendly. This cake is a testament to the fact that desserts can be healthy, satisfying, and absolutely scrumptious without added sugar. This recipe, with its natural sweetness and fiber from the fruit, and the protein from the eggs, is a great dessert option for everyone, not just those managing diabetes. It's a dessert that everyone can enjoy without the guilt, yet with all the flavor and satisfaction of a traditional fruitcake. So next time you're craving a slice of cake, remember this sugar-free fruitcake. It's a perfect example of how something so simple can be so delicious and beneficial. Because, after all, who says you can't have your cake and eat it too? Even if you're watching your sugar intake?